Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got NfuOh, NFU064, and Major Digit 09. I'm starting this one off with Nailtiques Formula 2. And here is, I don't know if I'm saying it right, NfuOh 064. This is the first polish from this brand I've ever tried. So we're going to get into it. I am going to start off with my first coat. My base coat is totally dry, my Nailtiques. Now, I can tell you that back in the day, I drooled over these polishes. Oh my goodness, I so wanted them. And they were expensive, and I didn't get any. But my friend Miss Becky sent me a couple in my last, Nail Fairy Godmother batch. And I have to tell you, you have to be careful with this polish. It will drag and pull, and it was really quite challenging to work with. And this is coming from somebody that paints their nails a lot. I normally don't complain about formulas, but this one, she was a booger. So I have used Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls to top this one. And there it is. It's stunning. I'll be using Major Digit 09 stamping plate today. I picked out a couple of images. I like this one right here, and I'm going to use this other one for my accent nails. But I need to get this blue film off, and Woody's going to help me get that started on the corner. Because remember, ladies, our nails are jewels, not tools. So Woody's a tool. I'm going to use him. I cleaned it with acetone and wiped it with a paper towel. I've got my Maniology Monocle stamper and a gray Born Pretty polish. You know, they have no names or numbers or nothing. It's a very old one, too. It's in that really old bottle. So we're just going to plop these on the nails. I do love pink and gray manicures. And this one, I couldn't really see it really good on camera. I mean, you see it a little bit, but, So you'll see what happens later. And I'm just going to keep on stamping away. Got my little scraper out, going to town. I do clean off my plates with acetone, and I clean my stamper off on a lint roller always. Or a piece of tape would work as well. Whatever you've got on hand. So I'm just going through and stamping these images on. And in real life, I could see them pretty well, but on camera, I wasn't seeing it. And to be honest with you, what I do next, I don't know that it made it any better. But it sure didn't make it any worse, so I'm going to share. I'm going to be using this Nicole Diary. And this one's called Rainbow Shadow. Very hard to see. Very pretty. But these polishes right here trip me up every time. And it's because they're so sheer on the stamping that you can't hardly see it on the stamper and line it up. It is really difficult. You will see me struggle a little bit. Again, we're cleaning that off with pure acetone with no acetone additive or anything in it. I don't want anything messing with my pickup on these plates. Here we go. I'm trying to figure out how this one goes on and where. Oh, Lord. I mean, this one was a mess. But I love the look of those polishes a lot of times. So I just kept bumping along. And here we go with our last one. I did the same image on my thumbnail as I did on my ring fingernail. Those were my accent nails. And I'm going to clean everything up with some acetone and wipe it with a paper towel to get the smudgy off before I put it away. And here we go. We're going to go in with a piece of tape and get some of this excess off of my skin before I break out my cleanup brush. And the acetone with acetone additive in it. There we go. And I've been asked while I'm doing this cleanup, I've been asked before where I got that little lid for my dampen dish. I got that off of 88 Beauty. I get that question all the time. I'm going to top this one with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. I'm going to get that kind of sealed in a little bit. And then we're going to finish this one off with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. as our final top coat. And like I said, you can really see, I mean, in my swatch photo, you can see a little bit of bling from that last stamping that I did, but nothing too crazy. And I am going to cap my free edge here, all blurry like, you know. But I really do hope you like this one. Oh, Woody's back. Hi, Woody. How you doing? And I would love to hear from you. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this one. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.